Good morning, Standard 9. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the chapter simultaneous linear equation in two variable. So I had already completed the elimination method, substitution method, and this is the last video for the cross multiplication method. But before explaining some more problems, class 9, you have some information that are related to your homework. So try to complete your homework till now whatever I had taught. I think all of you should know that what are the chapters till now I had taught. That is rational and irrational number, compound interest, both using formula, without using formula, expansion, factorization and simultaneous linear equation. It means the first 6 chapters. So try to complete it and submit it on Monday on the school on your separate copy between the 9 to 10. Your parents will come and submit it, and this information give to all the students of class 9, those who don't have idea about this. So please give the message to all and try to submit it. Now see, the simultaneous linear equation, so cross multiplication method. Now the questions are 0.4x minus 1.5y is equal to 6.5 and 0.3x and plus 0.2y 0.9. It means the coefficients of x, y and the constant terms in decimal form. So no need to worry about this. So try to change it. Remove the decimal, take 1 0. Remove the decimal, take 1 0. Remove the decimal, take 1 0. And the LCM of 10 is 10. So each term, both the sides multiplied by 10. So it is 4x, it is 15y and it is 65. Transferring this side minus 65. So the second equation is 0.3x plus 0.2y is equal to 0.9. So on removing the decimal, it is 3 by 10, it is 2 by 10 and it is 9 by 10. And both the sides, each term multiplied by 10, 10, all 10 cancel. It is left 3x plus 2y and it is 9. And 9 transferring this side minus 9. Now take the values. A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 15 and C is equal to minus 65. A2 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 2 and C2 is equal to minus 9. Now write the formula first. X is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. B1 into C2 minus 15 into minus 9 minus B2 into C1 2 into 60 minus 65. A1 into B2 4 into 2 and A2 into B1 3 into minus 15. So minus minus plus 15 9s are 135. Again minus minus plus 65 2s are 130. 4 2s are 8 minus minus plus 4 15 3s are 45. Now see, 135 plus 130 plus divided by 8 plus 45. 53 265. 265 cancelled by 53 in 5 times. X is equal to 5. Y is equal to formula C1A2 minus C2A1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. So the denominator part is same. So we should write 53 because when we are calculating the x, the denominator is 53. Here also we 53 because the formula for the denominator you can see A1B2 A2B1 and the values are same, so we'll get the same value. C1A2, C1 is minus 65 and A2 is 3. C2 is minus 9 and A1 is 4. 65 into 3 195 minus 9 and this minus minus plus 9 4s are 36. Minus plus minus them 159 by 53. This is cancelled by 3. So y is equal to minus 3. Hence x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 3. Now see one more problem. Now this time the coefficients are irrational term. Root 2x minus root 3y is equal to 0. So plus 0 because constant term is not there. So we will take c is equal to 0. Root 5x plus root 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. a1 is equal to root 2, b1 is equal to minus root 3, c1 is equal to 0. a2 is equal to root 5, b2 is equal to root 2, and c2 is equal to 0. Now write the formula for x. b1 c2 minus b2 c1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. b1 c2 minus root 3 into 0, b2 c1 root 2 into 0, a1 b2 root 2 into root 2 minus a2 into b1 root 5 into minus root 3. So minus root 3 into 0, 0, root 2 into 0, 0, root 2 into root 2, root 4, this minus minus plus, 5 3 is a 15, 0 minus 0, 0, the square root of 4 is equal to 2 plus root 15, and 0 divided by 2 plus root 15, that is 0. Now see the formula for y. The formula for y is equal to c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now substitute the value. c1a2, c1 0 and a2 root 5 minus c2a1, c2 is 0 or a1 root 2, and the denominator part we will write same, 2 plus root under 15, this into 0, 0, this into 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and 0 divided by this will get 0, hence is equal to 0 and y also 0. Now see one more problem. This is the last problem I am solving using the cross multiplication method. In next class I will discuss about the word problems from this chapter. Solve using cross multiplication method. 2x plus 3y minus 17 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From equation 1 we have to write the coefficients of x, y and constant as a1, b1, c1. So a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 17. And from equation 2, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 2 and c2 is minus 6. Now you can see here. Now write the formula. X is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now substitute the value. b1 into c2, b1 into c2, 3 into minus 6 minus b2 into c1 minus 2 into minus 17. In the denominator a1 b2, 2 into minus 2, a2 b1, 3 into 3, this is 3. So 2 2s are 4 minus 4, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18 with minus sign, this minus sign, and this minus minus plus, 17 2s are 34. So minus 18 and minus 34 minus 52, minus 4 and minus 9 minus 13, this minus minus cancel, 13 4s are 52. Now see the formula for y. c1a2 minus c2a1 whole divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So that denominator value is same, minus 13, see here minus 13, c1 minus 17 into 3, c2a1 minus 6 into 2, 17 3s are 51 with minus sign, this minus minus plus, 6 2s are 12, it's 13. So minus 13 minus 51 plus 12 minus 13, this minus minus cancel, 13 3s are 39, hence y is equal to 3, hence x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. Now this is all about the cross multiplication method. So children, what you have to do in your homework, so try to complete the exercise 6a that is elimination by substitution. In 6b, elimination by equating the coefficient. In 6c, cross multiplication. And in 6d, there is method is not mentioned there. By any 3 methods you can apply there and try to complete the exercise 6d, 6a, 6b, 6d, 6c and 6d, and before the example. And the next videos I will discuss the problems based on simultaneous equations. So thank you very much for watching the video. All the best. Have a nice day.